Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch screen spatial Android 8.0 Oreo system special for Skoda Octavia 27 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. You can choose logo and choose time and the logo. You can check this Belsee is a manufacturer of Android arcade units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Skoda logo. Skoda. Okay, it shows the Skoda logo. You can change this button color with gray. Any color you can adjust in this panel. Okay. You also can change this button color with gray. Change the settings. Choose the gray button color. You can adjust. Okay. Let me introduce the Android version. Let me check. System. About motion, you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back to home. Okay, let me introduce the internet. Let me connect SSR because we do not visit Google service directly. We need a VPN. Okay. It supports Google Voice command. New York. It will search New York City automatically. There are no sounds because I do not connect the small speaker. Okay, this is New York. You can back. London. Okay, it will search the London city automatically. Okay, let me put our Belsee website, Belsee. You can search belsee.com. Okay, this is our website. This Tesla model. Okay, let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. New York. It also supports voice command. The speed is slow because we do not visit Google service in our country directly. We just need a VPN to visit Google service and other sites. Okay, let me try again. New York. Sorry. London. Okay, it's search the London city automatically. Okay, you can touch control. Okay, let me introduce the music. There are USB driver. There are 4 USB cable on back of header units. Let me input the USB driver in one of USB ports. Okay, it will play music automatically. There are no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. You can touch. Next. Okay, let me show the dual screen. Click this, long press this button. Okay, you can touch control. It means you can run the navigation and music at the same time. Okay. Let me introduce Bluetooth. The pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, let me open the Bluetooth from your phone. Then click search button. You will get this Galaxy S8. Please click pair button. Your phone will get command. Please put the 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Okay, it changed color and show Bluetooth icon already connected. You can make a phone call. Okay, when you make a phone call, all sounds will be stopped from head unit. When you hang up, it will play do same thing. It's do same thing. Okay. You can stream music from your phone. It's A2DP. Okay, volume control from your phone. Bluetooth volume, please make sure turn on. Okay. This header unit supports 4K video play. And we play video. Okay, it supports 4K, send some 4K demo video all over the world. If you have any more questions, just contact us. Visit our website, contact us anytime. Okay, that's all. Thank you.